Tristan, it's Gordon.
He knows that.
Is that a happy face? Alright, let go. Kiara's turn.
What?
No, Kiara's turn.
Ooh.
Kiara, grab one.
I don't know which one to use.
Here.
Nice.
Wait, look at Kiara.
Why is Cody here? Cool. No,
Trouble. Okay, fine.
Bubbles.
no, it's on the bubble.
Okay, Kiara, open another one.
Hey, this is so cool.
What?
Hey, this is so cool.
Why?
Now you be first.
See? He said that to me. Not
Tristan, this is with that one. You didn't open this one with that one.
What is this?
I don't know.
Did you want it?
What is that?
A light.
Polly Pocket.
It's a like a...
Josie, and the rest of your toys are in your mom's house, under your mom's bed.
Mom.
Wait.
Mom, this is so cool.
Open this one. Kiara, open this one. You wanted that one?
Yeah. And this one. And nothing. Then.
All right. There's only 3 gifts left.
That's okay. Thank you.
This is Kiara. Josie, in here.
No, what's this?
Kiara.
What's
I think we gotta go get that one. That one they didn't have it. Tristan, sit over there.
Wow, gumball machine.
Me too. Someone knew I love candy.
I got one.
We all got one.
I wonder why something was shaky. Hey, candy.
Yes.
Hey, open Gordon.
Give it to Daddy. You have to put money in there?
You want one now?
I like yellow.
Oh,
Thank you.
I like orange.
Are you gonna keep on?